Monday, and we are making a little crab boil. Oh, I forgot I had a hole in my titty.
I say everybody got a hole in their titty.
No, I seen it as soon as I put it on too, but I was like, too late. That was that basketball commercial.
Yes. Made me think of scary movie too.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's in order. Oh, my fruit. My garlic powder always get hard.
Yeah, it's all garlic powder, is it? It's like
I be having to dig in it. Yeah.
reflexes. You scared me though with that knife. Put it on me. Hey.
Sorry. That's my smoothie. So we got the sausages, we got the crab legs, potatoes in here, the sauce with all the goodness and all the garlic, and then the shrimp were frozen. So thaw those out. The corn should they just drop the whole thing in there. We don't have to cut those.
Yeah, they're
Oh, halves already. Smell this. I bought vanilla for my next batch of body butter because I'm out.
You got already?
Yes. I told you I think I'd be using too much. But I'll be ashy.
You thought about vanilla for the dang.
So I'm going to put vanilla in that one.
Dang, I gotta hear beeswax.
I'm going to put vanilla in. I don't know if I want to do vanilla and lavender or if I wanted to do, I kind of wanted to do like a vanilla rose. I thought I had rose, but I have rose hip oil. I don't have rose, like essential oil. But yeah, vanilla.
That's what it said. Gonna come up out of your face.
Look at it got sand in it.
You already made me look at it.
You want to smell it?
No, I don't want to smell it.
Should I shake it up? Monday, and I've already went to the gym and showered and stuff, and then I did my orders, and I just made breakfast. So I'm going to finish my breakfast, and once I finish eating, I'm going to go drop these off at the post office, and then it's my best friend's sister's birthday, and she always thinks about me, so I'm going to get her something. So I think I'm going to go to House of Intuition on Melrose, and I think I'm going to get her something from there. So I also need to refill my water, but I want to film today. So I think I'm just going to be able to go to House of Intuition in the post office because it's 1:30 right now. I'm gonna come back and film. So I have a wig that I want to film today, and I have another try-on haul that I want to film today. So hopefully I can get back and be able to do both of those before the sun comes down or goes down, because my videos just look so much better when the sun is up. Like I have all of the lights and stuff when the sun goes down, but they just look like crisper when the sun is up. So that's the plan. More orders. I did my makeup. Now I'm about to take these braids out.
Hang on the brick wall.
Sephora just sent me a coupon for 20% off, and it's freaking perfect. So it's good until the 24th. Why are they just giving it to us? I don't know, but I'm about to go today because I need to go before we go to Miami on Friday or Saturday morning. And I need primer. I don't have any more primer. I need concealer. I need eyelash glue, and I need setting spray. Oh my freaking gosh, this is amazing. Check your emails. This probably not gonna be up by then, but check your emails. Y'all out here looking like a whole new person. Who was that girl earlier? I don't know. No, I'm playing. But this is a Bobbi Boss unit, you guys, that I did for Synthetic Sundays. It'll be up, yeah, I can't even say next week because I don't be editing my vlogs in time. But it'll be up on Sunday. Today is only Tuesday, so I'm doing really good. This is what she looks like, you guys. I got her in a 4 this time. So she's like a pretty brown. And she's a 13 by 14, y'all. She looks really good. But I'm about to go to the post office. I have my orders inside this giant IKEA bag. But my best friend just got off of work. She's about to drop her car off at the mechanic. And I'm going to pick her up from the mechanic, and then she's gonna ride with me to Ulta and Sephora because I told y'all I'm out of so much stuff. So I'm about to go do that. The Hydro Grip. Oh, do they not have any more? I have toast. I need a toast.
Toasted almond?
Yeah. I think that's what it says. It's blurry.
You know what? I probably do this color. I feel like I always like scissors.
Not light enough.
And then people were like, oh, it looks so good. Like, I don't want makeup, so it looks too natural. Like, sometimes that's nice. Sometimes
I really love this palette right here. I'm running low on this. I want to try her setting spray. Damn, should I?
That's what I think about.
No. I could do it. I just don't want to touch
Put the
that.
butt cheeks.
Not the booty cheeks.
You have to do like what else?
Bounce off the wall. Lay your head on my pillow, say. It's freezing and she got us out.
No, you
Gonna get food. We could have postmated. Got me out on Wilshire.
want me to go? You want to come with me to open?
Ouch. Come on. I asked to go to 2 places. It's ready.